lighting. We have done almost 300 units of basement. Almost 13 kilometers of sideway before ending of this month. Yes, sir, we have received that.
Come back, bro. But not be now. When you see the good
King of the youth!
Take your shot.
This A1? A1, yes. So by next week,
Don't go, stay where you have.
both driving and wearing. Yes, 100%. Even the street light.
Put on, no, I don't.
Yeah, the whole polish.
Wash.
The progress. And we're doing the FC1.
You go and that.
That's for the
to the community.
yeah, we have a very big
sorry.
Because you support us. Yes. And you give us 100%. You support us and you will do this. This is really part of the we don't have that.
The balance
when you went to do a flag off, it was totally undeveloped. Driving on that third road, we know it has not been completed. What has been the feeling like?
Well, that also tells you what the President and Commander-in-Chief, how he thinks about the satellite towns. It's not only concentrating in the cities. He did direct that while we're working in the cities, we should also emphasize on the development of satellite towns. Today, is the 5th of April, we have gone around to 3 satellite towns, 3 area councils. One is Gwagwalada, where you have the Market Road, the Palace Road, the Radio Road, which will also be commissioned by grace of God during his second anniversary, during his 2nd year anniversary. We went to A2 to Pi, which you talked about, and that is Kwali Area Council. You can see how beautiful that road is. It's a road of about 15 kilometers. They have done about 13 kilometers as far as where it costs. which will also be handed over to us for Mr. President's second year in office. Now we're in Shafa in Bwari Area Council. I don't know whether you came with us when we flagged up this road. This A2 going to the War College, this goes to the community, and then there's another one.
I understand.
So this also another area council developing, connecting the southern towns to the city. The contractor has assured us before the second year anniversary of Mr. President, he will also hand over. That makes us happy. That tells you that Mr. President is very keen on developing the satellite towns. And with this, how many minutes would you have to drive to the city? You can concentrate and stay here to work. We're very happy. And just like what the contractor has said, we have made sure money was not a problem. I'm sure a few days ago they received some funding. Before the end of this month, they also received some funding to make sure that promise made, promise kept. So we're happy.
Honorable Minister, sir, you have always been emphatic and intentional about quality of work. Quality of work in all the projects. You said last year that you don't just want to put roads, but you want to go with the highest quality. What is your assessment of what you have seen in terms of quality?
Very happy. Look at A2 to Pi. Look at the one with Gwagwalada. Look at your Shafana. You can attest by yourself. These are quality jobs done by quality contractors. So we're happy that we're giving to standard, and that's what's important. Not just giving out infrastructure, give out quality infrastructure that will make the people to be happy, that will turn around the economy of these areas.
Okay. Honorable Minister, the last set of commissioning during the President's first anniversary had him commission a lot of projects in the city center. I don't know, will the President be coming to the area council to commission projects?
We are going to work that out. At least he should be able to go to one of the area councils to show and let the people see that yes, this is their president, not just concentrating, not just only commissioning in the cities. He will also visit, we will plead that he visits at least one or two area councils so that the people will be happy that yes, this is their president. I can assure you that at least to go to Gwagwalada, go to Kwali, go to Bwari here. Bwari is like a city where you have the law school down. So we're going to make sure that Mr. President comes to identify with his people.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.